Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today, yes, I have another Cybertruck wrapped in TMaxx color change PPF that I'd like to share with you. But before we jump into that and go over all the details like we always do, I want to take a moment and share with you why TMaxx is #1 in this color change PPF category right now, which is why we are wrapping so many Cybertrucks and all models Tesla using this film. It comes down to this. #1, they have great colors, over 50 to choose from. #2, US-based company, 10-year warranty. The PPF film is extra thick, which you would expect in comparison to vinyl. It's hydrophobic, and most importantly, it is the most competitively priced color change PPF out there. And T-Sportline truly wants to give all of our customers not just the best quality products, but at the best price, and TMaxx is where it's at. So take that into consideration when you're shopping around for color change PPF. Now let's talk about this beauty. Brand new color, finished in satin crystal white. What's unique about this white, unlike matte whites and satin whites like you've seen by other companies, is that yes, it has that satin appearance, which everybody loves. It accentuates all the beautiful body lines of the Cybertruck, but it's got this kind of soft metallic crystal, hence in the name, appearance when the sun hits it at specific angles. And this is what I love most about this particular shade of a satin white. And as you can see, we wrapped all of the exterior stainless steel panels using this film. It is PPF, it is easy to clean up and very low on maintenance, and it does protect your Cybertruck. The color change is complete and it looks really great. Let's talk about the wheels. This particular customer chose our 22-inch CT7 fully forged wheels finished in satin black. This has very quickly become our #1 selling style. And it's obvious why. It just suits the Cybertruck. It's really cool. It works well. It speaks to the design elements of the Cybertruck and complements all the cladding, the bumpers, and everything nicely, because those are in a satin black finish, and so are these wheels. Perfect fit for the Cybertruck using the Falcon all-terrain tires. This is a really great match, and we love working with Falcon on that. So this Cybertruck's got a color change PPF. It's got a brand new set of wheels and tires. The windows have been tinted, and this Cybertruck is ready to go home to its owner. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.